to the elevator that goes to Hash House A Go-Go. It's kind of funny. At the LINQ Hotel in Las Vegas, Nevada, it's an ESCO with GAL. Look at this cab configuration. Look at this is interesting. I've never seen a cab configuration like this before. Alex Sackage of Reclusus filmed this. Force lock? 2. Alright, let's close up the door before I get a copyright. Let's go on to 1. I thought, door does not close when you press the button for some reason. I gotta talk over that music, don't want to get a copyright. Look at this configuration. I've never seen anything like this before. Look at this. Something just scraped behind the door. They're your GAL fixtures. Oh, it's a Marguis elevator. I did not know that. There's your 988 phone. See, there's your one last view of this cab. Anyways, I guess we'll go for one more ride just to hear that motor again. Here we go. Alright, let's go back down to 1. Alright, gotta talk over that music. Come on, close. I don't want to get a copyright. Close, come on. There it goes. This elevator is epic. Aside from that, it's great. They could have fixed that up. There it goes again. Here we are at the lobby. Look at this configuration. I've never seen this before. That's the most interesting cab configuration I've ever seen. There it goes, and that's it.